Okay, so you probably know Malia Obama as the daughter of former President Barack Obama. But did you know she recently dropped her last name, professionally? That's right. Malia is now going by Malia Ann as she steps into Hollywood. And honestly, I think it's a pretty bold move. So, why ditch the iconic Obama name? According to her mom, Michelle Obama, it's all about forging her own path and avoiding that whole nepotism label. Malia wants to prove she's earned her success, not just inherited it. Now, she's not just talking the talk. Malia made her directorial debut at the Sundance Film Festival with a short film called The Heart, and she did it as Malia Ann. No presidential perks, just pure talent. It's kind of wild to imagine deciding to leave such a famous name behind, right? But for Malia, it's about stepping out of the shadow and making her own mark. And get this, Michelle says both her daughters are super aware of how people might assume everything's handed to them, so Malia's name change is like her way of saying, let me show you what I can do on my own. So, next time you see Malia Ann in the credits, remember, she's not just Obama's daughter, she's a filmmaker carving her own space in Hollywood. Honestly, I respect it. Would you do the same if you had a famous last name? Let me know in the comments.